everyone, welcome back to craft class. Today we are going to learn how to make a lotus. Let's start doing. For making lotus, we need yellow color, pink color and green color papers, scissors and Fevicol. Let's start doing it. First we'll take a pink color paper, we'll fold like this, and from this I'll take square. I'll cut the extra part. We'll open like this. I'll take one paper from this and I'll make a flower. Cutting now. Now first I'll fold it like this. One more fold and another fold like this and one more fold. It should be equal fold like this. Then we are going to cut the petal like this. Like this, I am going to cut the shape of the flower shape. I will be cutting like this. Then I will fold the petal, all the petals like this. I have folded all the petals like this. Then I will do little slit. Each and every petal in the middle I'll do little slit here. Okay, like this I have done all total 4 petals like this. Then we'll take yellow color paper. Same yellow color paper we have to take like this and fold same way like this, and little small square we are going to take, a little. Okay. Then we are going to fold the paper like this, same way how we have done for the pink color paper. One more fold like this and another fold like this. I have folded the paper like this, little small. I am going to cut the petal shape. Little smaller it is. Again I am going to press the each and every petal like this. Then we have completed all the petals like this, folding like this. Now I'll take a pink color paper, flowers. These are the flowers we have taken. First I am not going to do anything first. This will be like this. One I'll take and I'll slit and I'll remove this one petal from this and I'll stick this. Like this, I'll stick like this, overlapping. One I have done and another 2 I'll slit. I'll remove the petals from this and I'll stick this also. Okay, then we are going to stick the flower now. First one you are going to stick like this one. Second one you are not going to cut anything. I am going to stick like this. Alternate you are going to stick the petals. Then this, then another one. You are going to stick like this. Next, this we'll keep aside. Then we'll take yellow color. One, I'll turn this. What I have done, you have to press once again. If it is not properly, you have to press this like this. Then one more you have to take. In this I'll slit to remove the 2 petals from this. And I'll apply the glue. And I'll stick this also. Like this. And I'll apply the glue here. And I'll paste this here like this. Okay, then one more I have taken here. In this yellow I have taken 3. Okay, now I am going to paste it like this. Each and every petal I am going to paste it. And I'll make it closer. I have pasted this. Again I'll apply the glue here. And I'll paste here in the middle. This and this will go in the middle. Again here apply the glue here. And I'm going to stick this in the middle here. Here we completed the flower here. Then we are going to make here leaves. I have taken green color paper. First we are going to fold it like this. Okay, now I am going to mark. If you want, you can mark like this, here like this, and you are going to cut the paper like this. After opening, it will be like this. Then you are going to do this like a fan folding. Here I have done fan folding. It will be like this. Now I am going to paste it in the middle like this. Here I am going to apply the glue, paste the paper like this, stick it. Okay, then we are going to turn it like this. We are going to paste this like this, proper way. Then here this part will be extra, so I'll cut this shape here like this. Okay, now we are going to make a stem. We'll take another paper, fold it, cut it into half and make a paper straw. Here you are going to make a paper straw like this. Apply the glue. Here. Okay. And this part you are going to make it a proper way. Okay. Now you are going to slit here this part. And this part also. First take a leaf. Okay, you're going to insert it in the middle. Okay, turn it back and slit the stem. Then apply the glue and turn it back side. It will be sticked like this. Stand like this. Okay. Now lotus down part we need a leaf. Now again take a green paper, fold it into half. Square we need. And cut this. Same way, fold the paper like this. How we have cut the petals, flower petal. We are going to cut the paper like this, little pointed. Open it. Okay, one you are going to slit. Apply the glue and stick like this. And apply the glue down part. And down side you are going to paste the like this. You are going to paste it in like this, down part. Then this, now here you apply the glue. Then stick the down part like this. Here you complete it like this. Then one more I'll show you. Another leaves I'll show you. For that we need 3 green color papers. Same way we are going to do fan folding. All 3 together you are going to do fan folding. Going to fold the paper, fan folding like this all together. Now I'll remove all 3. Then we are going to paste all the 3 like this. I have pasted all 3. Now I'll join together nearby like this. Now I'll tie this in the middle with the thread tightly. Okay, now put a knot. Now I will paste this both the sides. And another side also I'll paste it like this. Here I have completed this. Now this is one more flower, lotus flower. I'll stick here. If you want, you can keep a green color leaves here, or else you can stick directly. This is white color lotus, children. This is white color lotus, and this is pink color lotus. I hope you have liked this lotus, children. You will be doing it. Thank you. Bye.